Hello guys, I've got my YouTube award in the mail. For 100,000 subscribers. So I believe I must have shared this to you guys, and here it is. Ay, tumama sa mukha ko. YouTube. So let's open it together. Wow. Share ko sa inyo. Wow. YouTube, a letter from Susan. And congratulations on your subscriber milestone. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. So Rick, thank you so much for taking care of my award. Shout out to Rick. Thank you, Rick. Appreciate it. Thank you. Wow. All in plastic. Ganda, diba? So presented to my channel for passing 100,000 subscribers. Wow. Okay. Take it off from the plastic. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Look at it. It's beautiful. I'm gonna hang this on my wall. Can't believe this. This is my very first award. Of course, by YouTube. And the very first award in my whole life. Never thought na makakakuha ko ng award. Pero thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channel. I hope some of the videos you like it. Alam ko na yung iba hindi, pero thank you pa rin for subscribing to my channel. So you deserve it, guys, and I deserve it too. Thank you so much. So see you soon. Thanks. As of this moment, I already have 109,000 subscribers. And thank you. Ang init na! I hope na dumami pa kayo at basa na ang puwet ko. Hi guys, I can't believe I reached that milestone. Thank you so much. Wala akong masabi pero thank you so much lang. Bye!